Good morning. Okay, welcome to English 5. Our topic is about inferring the meaning of unfamiliar words based on context clues, quarter 1, MELC 2. What is context clues? Uh, these are important words or phrases in a sentence that helps in identifying the meaning of difficult word or items in a sentence. They provide further information about a word or phrase that helps the reader understand its meaning. Okay, let's review. Okay, what type of context clue that provides readers with varying examples to allow them fully examine the unfamiliar words? Okay, so the answer is explanation or example clue. Number 2, a type of context clue that provides direct statement or meaning of the unfamiliar words. What type of context clue? Okay, definition or statement clue. Number 3, a type of context clue that provides the synonyms of words to provide the meaning of an unfamiliar word. Okay, the answer is synonym or restatement clue. Number 4, a type of context clue that tells the opposite meaning of the difficult word. It shows contrast. Okay, the answer is antonym or contrast clue. So, these are the types of context clues that I have already discussed last time. So, we're going to continue the another types of context clue. So, it's number 5. Okay, number 1, synonym. Number 2, antonyms. Number 3, the explanation clue. And number 4, the definition. Okay, so continue number 5, cause and effect or reason result clue. It's a type of context clue that explains the reason and the result of an event or action. Words like because, since, therefore, thus, so, etc. may signal context clue. Examples: cause and effect context clue. Mary left her umbrella at her friend's house, so she got drenched during the rainstorm on her way home. The unknown word is drench, and the signal word is so. So from there, you can identify or you can get the meaning of the unfamiliar word because of the cause, umbrella, and so, and also the rainstorm. So cause and effect context clue. Another example: because we lingered too long at the restaurant, we missed the beginning of the movie. So the unfamiliar word is lingered. So this is an example of cause and effect context clue. So meaning lingered is staying for long, staying too long. That's why they were not able to watch the beginning of the movie. The author explains the reason for or the result of the word. Words like because, since, therefore, thus, so may signal context clues. She wanted to impress all her dinner guests with the food she served, so she carefully studied the necessary culinary arts. So what is the unfamiliar word? Culinary. Culinary means food preparation. Okay? Number 6 now. Comparison or sameness clue. It's a type of context clue that present the similarities in meaning or context. Words used are like, as, similar to, in the same way, likewise, resembling to, and also. So what are those signal words? Okay, like, as, similar to, in the same way, likewise, resembling. So if you can see that word, it means it's comparison or sameness clue. For examples: I love the palate of menudo like my brother who loves the taste of afritada. So palate means the taste, the sameness, the similarities. Okay? What's the signal word? Look, like. I see. Like. Ethan is fond of a mountain escapade the same way with Joy who goes on beach adventure. Escapades means adventure. The same meaning of escapade. Adventure, I mean. Okay? Escapade means adventure. Okay? The signal word there is the same way. Okay, example, the stench of the old shoes was like the smell of garbage. So, the unfamiliar word is stench. So, from the clue word, like the smell of garbage, you can identify that the stench is bad smell or unpleasant smell because uh, it it's like the smell of garbage. That's the clue. Next, number 7, inference or general text clue. It's a type of context clue that provides the meaning of unfamiliar words that can be inferred or guessed from the description of the situation. The author provides non-specific clues, often spread over the sentence or number of sentences. Okay? So, in inference, sometimes a word or phrase is not immediately clarified within the same sentence or not directly apparent. The reader must look for clues within, before or after the sentence in which the word is used. The meaning of unfamiliar word can be inferred from the description of the situation or experience. So using context clue, you can figure out things about the character, setting, or plot. It forces the reader to use reasoning skills in order to figure out the meaning of unfamiliar word using the information provided in the text. Okay, so for example, I fought to get loose and almost did for a second. Then they tightened up on me and the one on my chest slugged me a couple of times. So in this sentence, the words fought, tightened up, and one on my chest give us an idea that there is a fight or struggling going on. So we can infer that slug means to punch or hit someone. Okay? So let us answer this. Number 1. Liquors like beer, tuba, and lambanog were not allowed during the enhanced community quarantine. So the answer is alcohol. So number 2, the porridge we bought tasted bland, unlike the tasteful soup that my mom cooked for us. So bland means tasteless. Okay, now this time, number 1, what type of context clue in number 1? So that is explanation or example clue. Number 2, okay, antonym or contrast clue. So next, number 3, my friend and I dream of visiting South Korea this winter to experience its frigid or frosty season. So the answer is letter C, cold. Okay, what type of context clue? Synonym or restatement clue. Number 4, Melinda is so anxious about her attire for the party, but Felipe told him to relax and remain calm. So the answer is anxious means worried. Okay, what type of context clue? Antonym or contrast clue. Number 5, the country has a very tropical climate where it only has dry and wet seasons similar to other countries in Southeast Asia. So the unknown word or the unfamiliar word is tropical. So tropical means cold. Okay? Humid pala. Humid. Okay, what type of context clue? Comparison or sameness. Okay. Number 6, she wanted to impress all her dinner guests with the food she served, So she carefully studied the necessary culinary arts. So that's letter A answer. Culinary means food preparation. The clue is cause and effect clue. Number 7. No one ever believes that particular newspaper. It is famous for printing canards. What is canards? Okay, canards means false story or false report. So that's the meaning of canards. So what is the clue? Inference clue. So thank you for listening.